Today we are going to talk about video editors available on Linux. Although Windows and macOS have professional-grade video editors, Linux does not have editors like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows or macOS. But let's not forget DaVinci Resolve, which is available on all three major desktop platforms. Choosing the best video editor for Ubuntu depends on your experience level and editing needs. Here are some popular options to consider. For beginners, OpenShot is a user-friendly editor with a simple interface. It's great for basic editing tasks like trimming clips, adding transitions, and titles. For intermediate users, Kdenlive offers more features than OpenShot, including multi-track editing, audio mixing, and titling tools. It has a bit of a learning curve, but it's a powerful option for creating professional-looking videos. For experienced users, DaVinci Resolve is a high-end editor with advanced features for color correction, visual effects, and audio mixing. It's free to use, but it has a steeper learning curve than other options on this list. Blackmagic Design, the company behind DaVinci Resolve, offers a one-time paid version of the editor called DaVinci Resolve Studio. We have another player on the ground, and we cannot forget that. That is Shotcut. Shotcut is a good choice if you're working on an older computer or don't need a lot of features. It's fast and efficient, and it can handle a variety of video formats. And that's it for another video. If you think I got it in the wrong order, or if any other good editors for Linux are out there, please comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.